Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a dish that's more than just food. This is culture, this is tradition, this is Abacha. Also known as African salad, Abacha is that one meal that tastes like home no matter where you are. And today I'm going to show you how to make it the right way. Authentic, flavorful and unforgettable. Let's get started. First, you're going to soak your dried Abacha in warm water until it softens. You can also use hot water, but if you're a beginner, I would recommend you use warm water or room temperature water because you don't want your Abacha to be too soft. It is important to not let it get too soft. You want it springy and not soggy. So please use warm water. Once it gets very soft, once you are able to break it with your finger, you're going to rinse it and then you're going to drain it and set aside. In the mortar, I'm going to add some euro and fresh scotch bonnet, and I'm going to pound and set aside. Into a bowl, I'm going to add some potash powder and I'm going to add water to it just to dissolve it. And then I'm going to sieve the water out, just the top of the water. That's all we need. You don't need the rest. Please just trash that. Now in a clean pot or pan, without turning on the heat, you're going to pour in your palm oil. Add the potash solution and stir until the oil thickens and changes to that bright yellowish orange color, just like this. Please, like I said, do not turn on your gas. This is the base of our Abacha. Now we're going to make our base bold, beautiful and full of flavor by adding the ground pepper and ewuro, ground crayfish, bouillon and salt. Mix it all together to combine. This is where the flavor starts building. You are going to see that the smell of this is going to change from here. Next, you're going to add in the washed Abacha. Then you're going to gently fold it in and let it soak. Let it absorb all that color and goodness. You can either add all your toppings at this point or you can skip and add them later. But make sure you add the Ugba. This is very important. Mix it thoroughly and at this point you can turn on the gas to heat the Abacha up a little before serving. Now I'm going to make my peppered omo and fish by adding palm oil into a pan. Saute onions in it for a minute, then go in with chopped pepper mix. Season with salt and bouillon, stir and fry on low heat for a minute, then toss in the diced omo and fish. Cook this on low heat for 5 minutes or until you are sure the omo and fish have soaked in very well in the pepper. Now let's proceed to serve our Abacha. Serve the Abacha warm. I know some people like their Abacha slightly warm and others love it chilled. Either way, it's the spot. You're going to add all the other toppings. You can serve it with onions, garden egg and garden egg leaves or Utazi leaves. And don't forget to serve it with omo and fish. If you grew up eating this, you already know the joy. If this is your first time trying it, get ready for a flavor you will never forget. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more recipes like this and let me know in the comments how do you like your Abacha. Until next time guys, thank you for watching today's video. Bye.